A peek from our Valley Skycam here at the studios of Valley News Live, and we see some towering cumulonimbus clouds passing across the Red River on the Minnesota side. Those are producing some small hail and some lightning, as well as some gusty winds with them as well. Here is a look at what we have going on with these storms that you're looking at. The one you were just seeing, northern Clay County. There's also one moving in on Barnesville, as we discussed just moments ago. And if you are in the Bemidji area, we have some hit and miss showers that seem to be decreasing in intensity as we get deeper into our early evening. Northern parts of Clay County right now. Here is the core of the cell just off to the west of you in Ulen, where you see the pinks. There's some hail potential with this cell, some heavy rain as well near Ulen, but where you see the blues there, maybe some penny-sized hail falling from the skies. And we'll shift our attention to southern parts of Clay County now, moving right into Barnesville from the northeast, moving back to the west. Not a typical motion for storms. Some very heavy rain. Notice that the pinks decreasing as it approaches the Barnesville area, maybe just off to the east of Downer. There was some hail with this system. The hail potential diminishing now in the last couple of scans. That's some good news for you. These are pulsy-natured storms. They pulse up in intensity, get kind of strong with that hail potential, and then they collapse. And that's what's happening to these cells out here in southern Beltrami County. Those are drifting in a south and easterly direction. As we take a look at the big picture, we do see more storms moving through southwestern Minnesota. They are severe, and they have produced some piles of hail as they move through the Millbank area. Numerous reports of golf ball size hail or larger, as well as stacks of hail, hailed for 30 minutes or more, covering the ground with what looked like snow for those folks. Out to the west, there's very quiet weather, but we will not enjoy quiet weather for the entirety of our weekend. Let's get right to your forecast right after we look at that time lapse of those boiling clouds just off to the east of our studios. Here they are going up, collapsing, and producing that rain and hail you're seeing out there. Here at Hector, we have 79 on the thermometer, a west wind at 9 miles per hour, 54% relative humidity, a lot of 70s this hour across parts of eastern North Dakota. The hot spot, Grand Forks at 82, and not far from you, Roseau at 81. Where the showers are moving through, we have seen temperatures cool into the mid to lower 60s out near the Park Rapids area. Thunderstorms are expected to continue to quickly progress to the south and east this evening, and the best chance will be east of the Red River. Temperatures slipping into the 60s by 10 o'clock. And overnight, we'll see temperatures slipping into the 50s, and that's right where we start the weekend off. Some spotty areas of patchy fog possible where that recent rain will have fallen. Getting the weekend underway, midday temperatures rising towards 80 degrees, and we will soar into the mid-80s in the Red River Valley. A few upper 80s where there are drier conditions, such as western Stutsman County, southern Stutsman County. We may see a 90-degree reading there. Lakes Country peaking near 80 for the afternoon. Our thunder shower chances are minimal on your Saturday. Hourly forecast for Fargo, 58 to start the day. Winds will be from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour, so afternoon breezes will be likely. 86, your peak temperature, will be closer to 90 as we look outward toward Jamestown and up towards Grand Forks. 85, Roseau, Thief River Falls in the 80s, and Lakes Country, beautiful. Here's a look at the Sunday planner now as we head to bed on Saturday. We're going to see a storm system develop. It's really going to impact South Dakota, but we're going to see an abundance of cloud cover making its way into the valley as we close out our weekend, and it will impact your viewing of the solar eclipse in many areas. Tiffany Quali capturing a gorgeous and colorful sunset in Comstock, Minnesota. Thank you for uploading this, Tiffany. Sunday, again, clouds, scattered showers and storms. A cooler day near 80 degrees in Fargo. And then on the eclipse day, clouds will be mixed into the region. 78 degrees, the high temperature. We're back in the 80s for the remainder of the day. And right now, our forecast models say poor visibility in Fargo during the entirety of the event. Certainly, there will be clouds around the region. If you're viewing elsewhere, take a look at this map real quickly. Where the total eclipse happens in the Central Plains, there's a chance in places like Lincoln and Casper for decent sky conditions.
Oh, yeah, a lot of other places gearing up for it.
Indeed.
Thank you.